All right, so let's attempt supper time. Hopefully my kids and dogs won't interrupt. So we're on page 61 of the script. I'm not sure what page of the score. But I'm gonna just talk through it first, and then I'll try to do it with the soundtrack, the cast album, because I played it alongside the track and it's almost exactly the same, but I don't wanna try to have to sing it and remember the words and the choreography at the same time. So I'm just gonna talk through it first. So you're on your doghouse, you have your monologue, my stomach clock just went off, Charlie Brown says, are you asleep or something up there? Then you sing, behold, all that. And you're just gonna be very like gesturing towards the bowl and operatic for that. And then he says, okay, there's no need for big production, just get down off that doghouse and eat. So when he does that, he's gonna put the bowl down and leave. You're gonna climb down off your doghouse as the song starts, the little jazzy beginning of that. And you're gonna pick up the bowl and you're gonna hold it up to your face and pretend to eat it. So you're gonna be like, and then at that first little bing, you're gonna put the bowl down, big smile, and then like lick your lips, like, yummy. And then that second little, you're gonna toss your bowl off stage. And then you're gonna sing do do do, and I'm gonna do. If I say right foot, I'm gonna be doing left foot, so that when you practice with it, you can watch it and mirror me instead of trying to have to like do it backwards, if you know what I mean. So you're gonna start with your right foot. So I'm gonna start with my left foot, and you're just gonna step little steps with do do do, fingers pointing. Okay, so you're gonna go do 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 do. Do, 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 do. And then you're gonna rub your belly. Like, oh my gosh, my belly's so full and I'm so happy about it. And you're gonna step on your right foot and go out with the left. So you're gonna go, I'm sorry. You're gonna step out with your right foot. You're not gonna step, you're just gonna step out first. So you're gonna do it's supper time. Yeah, it's supper time. And and then you're gonna do fingers down and walk. Again, starting with your right foot. Wait, it's supposed to be opposite arms like so. Supper time. Very best time of day. So you're gonna go forward and then go back. So it's right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. I think that's right. Supper time. Very best time of day. And then on that little brink, 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 you're gonna go right foot forward with your hands, like pause. So out, out, in. Okay, so that's just bump, bump, bump. And then you're gonna do the same thing you did before, rubbing the belly with the out, but in a circle. So you're gonna go first, your right foot is gonna go straight front, supper time profile, then together, then out, and out. So your right foot goes front, left foot side, right foot back, left foot side. Does that make sense? So that's supper time. Yeah, it's supper time. And when supper time comes, can supper be far away? Then you're gonna do 2 steps up with fingers up, starting with your right foot. So, and when supper time comes, can supper be far away? So it's 2 up and then 2 down. 2 up on releve, 2 steps up on releve, and then 2 steps down and plie with the fingers. So it's left foot up, right foot up, and then 1, 2, 3. All right? So when supper time comes, can supper be far away? And then there's a little like percussion in the music. So you've just done 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Step out, and on the little percussion, bring your feet together, okay? So it's, and when supper time comes, can supper be far away? Ba, ba, ba. And then it goes, bring on the soup dish, bring on the cup. So this is just like steps in place with the knee bops. Again, you're gonna start with your right, bring on the soup dish, bring on the cup, bring on the soup dish, bring on the cup, bring on the bacon. And your arms are going to be doing like what I call gimme hands. So you're gonna start stepping with your right foot and your left hand. So it's right, and really like flex those fingers. Like it's really like, right? So bring on the soup dish, bring on the cup, bring on the bacon, and then fill me up, okay? Because it's supper, and then again, you always start with your right foot. You're gonna step with your right foot, and your arms are gonna do like sway, flossy arms, right? So, supper, supper time. Supper time. And you can play with that, whatever you think, if you like it better a little further. You know, also I don't want it to be ever hard for you to sing. So if any of the movements ever make it hard for you to sing, you let me know, I will change it, okay? So it's 5 steps. Supper time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then on the whistle part, I know you're gonna scat, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn to the left, and it's gonna be your right foot that's gonna just step forward, but you are gonna do a shoulder with it. So it's step, right? Whatever you're gonna scat there, and then when you go summertime, then you're gonna go again, right foot, and then you're gonna do jazz hands and lean back, supper time, okay? So at any time you want to pause and write stuff down, obviously, go ahead. Then you're gonna do on that little vaudeville style few measures while you're catching your breath and not singing. It's gonna be step, kick with a little like flick, a little bit of like chorus line kind of flossy there. So you're gonna step with your right foot, kick with your left, step, kick, and it's a pointed foot. So step, kick, 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 step, kick. And it can be just like the shoulders and hands pop at the same time. If you want to do a little bit of a twirl, or if you want to just do them straight out, it's whatever works best for you. So it's ba 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 ba, and then it's in, out, in, out, in, out. All right. So toes in, toes out, in, out, in, out. And then on the doot doot, you're gonna do point up, doot, 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 doot. All right. So you point up. Actually, it's probably easier if you point up with your right hand first. So doot, 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 doot. So you switch. Oh, and here's my dog. Hi, Cash. Okay, go on, go on, go on. Good boy, good boy, good boy. So, doot, 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 doot. And want to do, oh, and then there's a little beat there where you're going to do a kick. And then you're going to beckon for Woodstock to come in from that way. And you're going to do the same thing you did before with the bring on the soup, but facing her. So now you're stepping with your right foot and you're doing your gimme hands, but you're doing it to her. So, bring on the dog food, bring on the bone, bring on the barrel and roll me home. And then the two of you are going to put your hands behind your head. You're going to step with your right foot and you're going to do a step, heel, step, hips, hips together. And do it again. Step, heel, step, step, heel, hip, hip together. So that's right, heel, left, left, heel, right, right, left, right, left. Right, heel, left, left, heel, right, right, left, right, left. Okay? And that's on, Kara just wants to be in the show. So that's supper, 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 super pepper upper. And then you're gonna go back to back, fold your hands. And then you're gonna, it's supper, beat, heel goes out, and then you go back to back, down, up, down. Supper, supper, supper time. Like, and I call that the Pippin hands. We got magic to do. So that's supper, 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 super pepper upper, supper, super duper supper time. And then you're gonna bump hips, and then you put your feet together, and it's just knee bops. All right? So the whole time you're going, wintertime's nice with the ice and snow. Summertime's nice with a place to go. Bedtime, overtime, halftime too. But your arms are, can you get out of the shop, please? I love you. Do you need to go outside? All right, that's part one.